He's not. He knows how to use them.
嗨，小可爱。Easy? Easy?
She's like, no, I don't like it. You gotta be nice to your girlfriend.
That's right. She's gonna go get it, and you can't get it because you can't crawl. You gotta go. Gotta learn how to crawl.
You see her sit there and bounce up and down? Crawl, come on. You can do it.
You know how.
You gotta get the trail. Look at the toy she's got.
Hey, you. Kian. 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 What are you doing?
Hey, Kian.
What are you doing?
Where's Grandma's boy?
Aw, hi.
Move so fast.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, goodness.
She's so intrigued with little toys, huh?
Yeah.
Well, they're not her toys,
Do,
so
do,
that's why
do,
she
do,
can be
do,
intrigued
do,
with them.
do, do, do. We have some coconut bliss if you want it too.
Bouncy, bouncy.
Some what?
Coconut bliss ice cream.
Oh, yeah?
Want some?
Yeah.
Yes.
That's your
That's a
mommy.
yes.
That's your mommy. Yeah. Hey, young man. No.
Can you turn around? Can you turn around? See what she's doing? It's getting beat up.
Yeah, it's been dropped. I mean, it was used to start with, and it's just been beat up. So this is everything she could have done. She can't do anything to more. Let's see if we can get it to work. Look at that.
Why are you facing your back towards her? You can turn around.
Parallel way. You want to turn around?
Says no.
And play with boys? No.
No.
Boys, that's crazy. Let me go through
Okay. You want to dance without even play to your own song?
Well, it's nice that he's not crawling, to be honest. It's easier on
Yeah.
you guys.
You both are crazy. You both are crazy.
Can you clap? Bye-bye, Joe. Keep doing.
It's so funny. Honey, you gotta get it from your point of view.
Yeah.
You're gonna shake your head? You gonna shake your head? Kayla wins this time.
Kayla's won a lot of times.
Yeah.
Kayla's got it all under control. He likes it. He's like, wait a minute, this is maybe.
You're okay.